if they have little crack, they even drop off, you know. So this is a foliation, so it comes off, okay, like this. So you can call it like a stone flower, you know, it's like a flower opening. See? Okay, so if you look downward, there is a Western style coffin over there. A Western style coffin. Okay, so when you look downward here, you can feel something like over here, millions of years ago, this was a fault line. This was a fault line between this piece of landmark, and this fault line is being eroded by the sea wave, you know, out there. So all hitting here for millions of years. So eventually it cuts through, you know, all the way. So it makes, you know, this place split into two parts, right? So this is the natural force. So grand, so strong. And also, please look downward there. Look downward there. So you can see a lot of the hexagonal rock column with different height. So forming like steps. So these are the natural steps formed by these hexagonal rock columns. These rock pillars, you can tell, so a lot of them are very big in size. So nowadays, this is the biggest in the world. The second largest, you can find it in Ireland. Northern Ireland, there's a geopark, you know, it's a global level geopark. Very, very famous. It's called Giant Causeway. But in this Giant Causeway, all the rock columns, the size is no more than half a meter in diameter, like this big. But those you see here, so all of them, they are more than 1 meter. So average is 1.5, you know, up here, okay? The average size is 1.5 meters in diameter. And some of them, they are very long. So some of them, they could, as you can expect, you know, from the upper part of the mountain all the way down. But there's only, you know, in between they might have, you know, some crack lines, so to make it shorter. All right. So take some pictures. Okay, there is also a very durable kind of plant. Over here, you see this green thing. This is a typical coastal kind of plant, and you can see here it carries not much water, but this kind of plant, they carry thick leaf. They have a wax surface, because the wax surface can reflect the sunshine away, the heat away, so it won't, you know, get vaporized so easily, and they can keep the water. And they always keep, you know, a lot of water, and make sure, you know, they can you know, survive. And because of this kind of plant, they can grab the soil, so making, you know, this area not so vulnerable, you know, to be eroded. So the name of this plant is called Naupaka. Naupaka, you know, it's a kind of a coastal region, you know, kind of plant for holding grabbing the short soil. Okay. All right. So feel free to take picture, or if you have any question, please come to me. And then after here, we'll move upward, and then we have a lot others to see. Yeah.
Start moving up.
No, just give them a few more minutes for picturing.